Hello friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got Whatcha, Night of Mischief, and Beauty Big Bang XL 021. I'm going to start this one off with Nailtiques Formula 2. And here is Whatcha, and this is Night of Mischief, Polish Pickup September 2021. Oh, it's so stunning, and the camera is not going to do it justice. This is a very lush, beautiful polish. The formula is amazing. This is the first time I've tried this brand, and I have to tell y'all, I am so not disappointed. There we go with our first coat. We're going to hop on in here with the second coat of Night of Mischief. And it's like duochrome, and it's got some kind of shimmer going on in it. It's just stunning. Had my heart happy. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get this one to dry down so that we can do some stamping. You know, stamp away, honey, stamp away. There we go, capping that free edge. And here is a photo of it on its own. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL 021 today. And bases loaded lacquer. This is shutout. I got my AliExpress stamper out and my Maniology scraper. And we're just going to hop right on into it. Today I'm just going to do a couple of accent nails. I'm going to try to do better on this. I really do enjoy manicures where I leave some of the base polish on just the nails and don't do anything to it. But you guys know, I normally get carried away, so it won't always be like this. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and that plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And here we go. We're going to hop in and grab up one more of these images. And I really like this one. It's kind of checkerboard with the leaves. And I was like, yeah, I'm feeling it. There we go. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape. And I'm going to try to get up some of this excess up off of my skin from the nail polish and the stamping. I don't get very much of it up, but I do get a little bit of it up. So I'll take it. And then we're going to pop in here with our cleanup brush and some acetone and just clean that up the rest of the way. I was really excited to use this one. I got a huge bucket of untried, so I'm working my way through them. We're going to top this with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And it's working really well. There we go. Okay. This is just the lighting was funny. Once that's dry, I'll be topping this one with Poshe top coat. And we're going to seal it in and call it finished. Ta-da, ta-done. There we go. And I'm even topping those other ones with some Poshe as well. Because that's how we roll. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.